Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You start by being present and practical. Sit close, ask to share space, and say a simple offer like, "I'm here if you want to talk." Use a calm voice and slow cadence so they don't feel rushed. This lowers stress and helps breathing. Once done, provide one concrete thing, water, a blanket, or help contacting someone, because action grounds them. Make sure to remove distractions, silence your phone, and give them permission to feel what comes without fixing it immediately. You now focus on listening with intention. Allow silence and avoid filling every pause. This gives them space to process thoughts and grief. Reflect feelings back. Say what you hear, anger, numbness, guilt, so they know you understand. Once you reflect, ask one open question if needed, like, "What do you need right now?" Make sure to use validating language because it reduces isolation. If they seem dissociated, gently orient them to the present with simple prompts and steady contact. You finish by translating care into ongoing action. Propose one clear next step, calling a close person, arranging meals, or handling paperwork, and offer to do it with them. Once scheduled, commit to a follow-up time within 24 to 72 hours so they aren't left alone with logistics. If they seem unable to eat, sleep, or function, make sure to suggest professional support or emergency services. This is a responsible safety step. Remember, consistent.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.